Okay, I've got a problem. The problem is that my text editor is not configured in my Visual Studio Code remote container. I do, however, have ed. Ed is the original command line text editor developed by Ken Thompson in 1969 for the original version 1 Unix system. Let me just show you how you might use ed in a pinch. Switch to my home directory, and I want to edit my .profile. Now, ed is command line oriented, so it's driven in a very similar way that you might see some commands in VI. So let's say if I do 1 comma $P, what I'm telling ed to do is print out the entire file. You could also do, say, for example, 15 comma $, to print out from line 15 to the end of the file. What I want to do is append at the end of the file. So if I put $, you can see it prints out the FI. It indicates that I'm currently at the location at the end of the file. If I insert now, I would insert before this line, but let's say I want to add to the end, so I'm going to append. So I can go ahead and type whatever text that I would like to type. Export path equal $path colon, and then I actually have to figure out what path. So I will paste that. And then I could also keep typing here. So like sometimes you forget how ed works. So you might say Q or W, but right now I'm actually just inserting those. So what it's looking for is a single dot on on a line by itself. And now if I print $, I can see that basically the last character in the file now is a W, which is not what I wanted, right? Because I messed up. So if I do the 15 call out to comma $print and show the end of the file, you can see I have what I want, but I also have something wrong there. So if I'm at the end, I can just hit D and it deletes that line. And if I hit the end now, you can see now it's the Q, and I can just hit D and it'll delete that line. If I hit $, now I'm at the path, which I do want to be the end of the file. So I can actually just write that, and then I can Q. And so now that change has been made to my profile. And so I've kind of saved myself in a pinch here where I don't have a better text editor. There's lots of times when you don't have access to a sophisticated text editor, and so it's nice to be able to use something simple and compact and very terse like ed.